Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In this video, we continue west along US Highway 90 alternate in the city of Sugar Land, beginning at Texas State Highway 99 Grand Parkway. We're still in the Houston, Woodlands, Sugar Land metropolitan area and will be throughout this entire video. Here at the intersection of FM 359, we see a $27 million construction project to elevate FM 359 over the Union Pacific Railroad, which runs parallel to US-90 alternate. The completed interchange will feature an elevated intersection controlled by a traffic light for vehicles connecting between FM 359 and US 90A and uninterrupted through lanes at ground level. The estimated completion date is March of 2019. We enter the city of Richmond, Texas, and US 90 alternate becomes Jackson Street. Richmond is the county seat of Fort Bend County and has an estimated population of 12,092 as of 2016. In 1822, a group of Austin's colonists went up the Brazos River, stopping near present-day Richmond, where they built a fort called Fort Bend. Named after Richmond, England, the town was among the 19 cities first incorporated in 1837 by the short-lived Republic of Texas. On August 16, 1889, the town was the site of the Battle of Richmond, an armed fight culminating the Jaybird-Woodpecker War, a violent feud over post-Reconstruction political control of Fort Bend County. The mayor from 1949 until his death in 2012 was the beloved Hilmer Moore. That's 63 years as mayor. Moore died in 2012 at the age of 92. The wealthiest neighborhood, as of 2003, in Richmond is Hillcrest, Winston Terrace, another neighborhood, had its first houses built in 1940. Construction increased around the end of World War II. Most of the houses were built between 1940 and 1965. Jeannie Caver of the Houston Chronicle said that Winston Terrace is a swath of mid-20th century America with sweeping oak trees and colorful brick or wood bungalows named for the descendants of one of the region's most illustrious pioneers. The Texas Department of Criminal Justice operates the Jester State Prison Farm in an unincorporated area 4 miles east of Richmond. We enter the city of Rosenberg, Texas, which has a population of 36,937 as of 2016. Here, US-90A becomes Avenue H. The community holds the Fort Bend County Fair in October. Rosenberg is named after Henry Rosenberg, who migrated from Switzerland to Galveston, Texas in 1843. Rosenberg was the first president of the Gulf, Colorado and Santa Fe Railway. The city of Rosenberg operates 9 municipal parks within the city limits. Fort Bend County operates the Butto Shields Community Center in Rosenberg. The 2-acre center includes an auditorium, meeting centers, and centers for elderly people. At First Street, Texas State Highway 36 joins us from the south for the remainder of the video. Here, Avenue H veers off to the left, while we bear right to cross under the Union Pacific Railroad tracks on the 36th Division Memorial Highway. Then, State Highway 36 departs to the north as we continue west and conclude our video here. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.